I wanna be with you. Hey, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Hey, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? I know me feel like star, but I'm reaching at a boat, so she feel like star. But the look on my shoes, now she feel like God. Fuck it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Ayana. If you're new here, you are going to love it here. If you're not, thank you for coming back. As you can tell by the title, it's a weekly vlog, so it's like my first vlog of 2025. Happy New Year, Merry Christmas, everything, everybody. It is February 4th and I just made it to my nail appointment. She's running a few minutes late, so I'm just taking the time out to find a nail set because I still haven't decided, because Valentine's Day is coming up, right? And then I don't really want Valentine's Day nails for like a long time, but me as a person, I do my nails like once a month because the heart is willing, the pocket is not. But I don't know, I feel like I want to just do something simple French and then add a little heart or something. I don't know. I don't know. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. Hey, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Hey, I wanna be with. I wanna be with you. Me just love me. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still? If I'm in my mind and work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up, we gon' function. No assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get it. I know what you did. Already on 10, all money come in. All feeling go out, this feeling don't drought, this party won't end. If I didn't ride blade on curve, would you still?
I just wanna take you there. He don't gotta know where. Does he touch you here like this? Let me take the friction from your lips. And I'm alive. Young and fine and dark and handsome, the boy from South Detroit came on singing. I can't keep my panties from dropping. He's so fly, fly. Moving so fast, don't hurt yourself. I can't keep up with all the lies you tell yourself. You kinda cute, but way too much.
Is that like those Valentine's plans? Or this is
I used to go to Goals. I think I prefer LA Fitness because tried it. He was like, it's
perfect? Yes. Those always come out good.
yes, because of you.
running back to the strip club. I'm never going back, never going back. No, you can't make me. Never going back, never going back. They never take me. I've been enough of petty dudes. I've had enough of shitty news. I had a thing for dirty shoes since I was 10. Love dirty men alike. Ooh, better day than cash today. Ooh, I just take it.
Hi, bitch.
Guess what?
What?
That fly girl, you see that here?
Lips are telling me yes. Why you kissing on my neck? Making me feel so. Should I stay? Should I go? I don't know. You have voice style, drives me wild. But in the back of my mind, I know. I wanna see how you put that thing on me. I can't let you mess with me. I wanna see how you put that thing on me. I can't let you mess with me. That's me.
Hey guys, happy Sunday. Didn't really talk to you guys, just been showing you B-roll footage. But we made it to the cabin. Zuri, stop crying please. We're right here, girl. We made it to the cabin. We're staying in Giuseppe or Giuseppe. I'm not sure, but that's the cabin we're staying in. Right now we're just trying to get the fire started so we can make some burger and hot dog. I'm hungry, so the food may I defend. When I ignore the big crater in my face, I should have brought a pimple patch with me. Zuri, get from over there, baby. Now that's why we are struggle. Guys, this is giving us a warm time. We are not outdoorsy people, as you can tell. Very cute. I wish the bathroom had a mirror. That's the only thing. But why you need that when you're out in the woods? And I didn't realize how close. Oh shit. I didn't realize how everybody is so close. That's the only thing I don't like. I would have liked to not be close to people. Like, why do you, like, look. There's one cabin right there and one right there. But I wasn't the one who booked it, but apparently on the website it is marketed. Like, you know, you can see neighbors through the trees. So, yeah, I guess it's supposed to be like that. That's their vibe. But yeah, it's not too warm. It's not too cold. I am excited to start putting some food on the grill. This is so nice. Zuri acting like she's not used to shit. But this is so nice. I love the big mirror. The natural lighting. Don't hit over my camera, girl. Schnauzers always want to be in your skin. But guys, yeah, still trying to figure out the grill situation. Not really working right now. It's not really working and I'm starving. I'm just trying to make the best of it because what's the point of getting mad or being down? We just had to find a solution. So different locations. So like it's called Postcard Cabins because I believe they changed the name. Postcard Cabins. I'll leave like the link in the bio if anybody interested, because you can look if there's any in your city near you. But yeah, I'm gonna go help out my camping buddy to try and figure out this fire.
Your cries that can be heard from far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need between those lines. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need.
What America wants, nice and calm. You almost there.
Many options really got. I mean, there's too many options. Been a crash on his body. I'm safe, Drake. I hear you like I'm young. You bet like.
Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day, and we are going to be We are going to be heading home. Checkout is at 11. It is 10:40. So yeah, it was a nice little evening. Next time I come, we're gonna stay longer. More days would be fun. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and as always, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and see you next time.